The 4.2-inch full-color multi-information display lets you switch between day and night modes manually or automatically. The state of charge meter displays remaining battery power as bar segments. The indicator blinks when the charge drops below 25%, and a beep alert notifies you when levels are critically low. Drive mode indicator displays 3 drive modes: Eco, Ride A and Ride B. Each mode designed to optimize efficiency and enhance performance for your ride. The driving range indicator estimates how far you can go with your current battery level, helping you plan smarter rides. The odometer not only tracks the total distance your scooter has traveled, it also lets you monitor average energy usage for each trip and view real-time energy consumption with the instantaneous meter. The Suzuki Ride Connect app enables you to connect your smartphone and access a variety of useful functions and services. Point of interest displays nearby dealers and fast charging spots. Last parking location makes it easier to locate e-access in parking lots and other areas. Turn-by-turn navigation guides you to your destination by displaying directional arrows and distance indicators to guide you effortlessly. Ambient weather and weather alerts show the current temperature and weather while notifying you of sudden changes. Incoming notifications keep you updated on calls, messages, and schedule calendar events as you ride. Auto Reply automatically declines incoming calls and sends the caller a preset response message. Full navigation displays your current position and route guidance on a map of the surrounding area. Suzuki e-Access with spot-on connectivity.